In this video, I'll teach you how to do a straight line depreciation in Excel. So let's say, for example, here we bought our first car for $10,000. We know that in 5 years, if we decide to sell the car will be roughly worth around $5,000. Now we want to examine the depreciation of this car for 5 years. In this case, it's our recovery period. To do this, we make a table like this first, where we indicate the year, the annual depreciation, the accumulated depreciation, and the book value. So in year 0, there is no depreciation, and that's because the car is still brand new. So that's 0, and for the accumulated, it's also 0. Now the book value in year 0 is how much we purchased the car for, which is $10,000. Now in year 1, there is a depreciation, and that's because the car's been used, so there's some wear and tear, and the car's value has gone down. Now to calculate this, we use the formula above, where B is the first cost minus S, which is our salvage value, divided by N, which is our recovery period. Now make sure to $sign all these values like this, press enter, and drag all these values down to the remaining years. This is because in straight line depreciation, the annual depreciation for every single year is the same. Now for the accumulated depreciation, it's simply $1,000, or the annual times the year, like this. Drag this down as well, and we get the accumulated depreciation. Now for the book value, it's simply the book value here, or the first cost actually, where we $sign this like this, minus the accumulated depreciation, like this, and we just have to drag this down, where we eventually find out that the book value, or how much the car is worth, in year 5 is $5,000, which is our salvage value. We can visualize the depreciation of this car through a graph like this, where X is the x-axis is the year, and the y-axis is the book value. Insert the graph, and you get something like this. Let's change this to 5 years. Remove the title, and this is the depreciation of the car, where at the start, the car is worth $10,000, but by the end of year 5, it's worth $5,000. And notice the graph produces a straight line like this, and that's why this method is called the straight line depreciation method. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.